Today's video it's momentous. It is very, very special. For as special it is for me, I'm sure it is for you guys that have been watching the channel for such a long time. As you guys know, I've been in Japan now for 5 years. In the last 2 years, I have been working my butt off. The whole YouTube game and like just working towards being able to do what I've ever always dreamed of doing with drifting, getting into competitions and building amazing drift cars like my Yashio Factory S15 behind me. But this today, this is goals. This is something that I was dreaming of so much further in the future than what it is now. Like being able to achieve this in only 2 years is mind-blowing. Not to mention obviously where the channel is at in just the last 2 years of me grinding. Like when I started actually grinding on the channel, I think we were only like 25k subs. So the fact that we now have our own shop is a huge deal. Today we got the keys, lads. We officially got the keys to our new shop. So this was the last place we looked at, and the owner didn't want to give us both. We were trying to negotiate with him and stuff, but we only got half. But in the future, you know, plans will probably change. We'll be able to work out something with the owner probably and get the other half. So he's gone and put a wall up for now, but this is the new shop. Hey Jeff, what's your name? Say it.
My name is Jeff!
So yeah, this is the shop space, guys. Few things we need to work on. This is one of them. Floor's a bit dirty. So we're about to go to a home center and start getting some cleaning stuff and just start really working on cleaning this place out. We don't have electricity or water yet. Like we literally got the keys today. It is fresh. This is our toilet right here currently. This is the washlet. You know, you just point that up, turn the tap on. I hope you aim well into that. No, we're gonna have to obviously build a little toilet block here and stuff, but wow, it's finally happened. This is crazy. So we're already trying to figure out how to fit the shop and figure all that out. But our first thing that we need to do is obviously start cleaning and whatnot. And this is just, obviously, we're not going to be fitting this out probably like with hoists and tire machines and stuff like that, at least for like another month. We have a lot of work to get done. Like we got to paint the floors and all that kind of stuff. And there's a lot that needs to be done. But this is it. Kind of speechless, lost for words. We got our own shop, guys. This is huge. The best thing is the location is absolutely amazing. Over there's a huge shopping mall, there's a home center close by, there's McDonald's, there's Hotomoto, there's Matsuya, like everything you could want close to a shop is literally walking distance from the shop. McDonald's is kind of dangerous. Like I don't want to particularly eat McDonald's every day, but yeah, at least I can get a midnight apple pie. But yeah, this is the shop, guys. This is not going to be a public space. I'm not going to be doing, you know, work for public people whatsoever. This is just for me and my cars and YouTube. Jeff is going to be sharing the shop space with me. He's obviously got some cars and stuff, and he's got an export business, so he'll be storing a few here and exchanging things in and out and whatnot. And he'll be working on his stuff here from time to time. But man, I really don't know what to think or say. It's so surreal. Feels good. I don't know. I guess I need to say thank you to you guys, because like this would not be possible if it wasn't for all you crazy lads that watch my videos every day. It's hard not to get emotional, to be honest. But I think this is a pretty bold statement, but I think I am the only automotive YouTuber in Japan that has like a shop space. Like I know this is a very big thing for American YouTubers and stuff like that. Like they always get a shop like right away and stuff, but in Japan it's so different. And to be able to have a shop is so rare. And to be able to actually, oh man, I literally think I'm the only automotive YouTuber in Japan that has a shop and is going to be able to do what we're going to be doing in there. It's so mind-blowing. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm kind of emotional and it's all just hit me. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. This has been the most insane journey, and we're only really 2 years in, and this is where we're at now, and I cannot imagine where we're going to be in the next 5 to 10 years. This is so exciting. Once again, thank you so much. I'm excited. I really am. Wow. All right, let's go to our home center and start cleaning. And thank you so much, guys. Just rolling into the Royal Home Center. That's a bit posh, eh?
Royal.
All quite royal and posh. Yeah, pip pip cheerio and all that. Gonna get some cleaning supplies, maybe some paint. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's get in there, see what we find. So I'm about to show you guys one of the biggest downsides about living here in Japan, and that is that they try to compact everything. So a simple yard broom, like a push broom, doesn't really exist here in Japan. This is the closest they have to it. These tiny little things, which are just not practical for a shop. Even though we're in a huge home center, like this is probably the biggest push broom they have. Yet they have big things like this for water, and then this is the closest kind of like workshop broom we can get, is this skinny thing. So it's like, or we could get one of these. It's so frustrating. And yet they have big things like this, but not a proper push broom. Like a decent sized push broom that you'd get at like Walmart or Home Depot or anything like that. Also, same thing with like hand saws. If you want to cut down like a tree, they give you these weird katana like sword looking things. So weird. But yeah, that's our dilemma. So we're probably going to go with one of these skinny guys. For now, I've ordered some actual proper push brooms off Amazon US, but they will be a week away, so at least we can get started and kind of get the place cleaned up with this. And then we'll probably buy like a blower too, like a blow vac or something, so we can at least like try to blow some of it out too. But I was looking everywhere, even on like online stores and Amazon Japan, they don't have it. So big sad. So we just went to another home center. They didn't have any brooms like the other one, but we did buy an outside kerosene heater and supplies. But I didn't really consider that. We came in Jeff's S15. So I'm not entirely sure how we're gonna fit this all in here. Because the back's already got like a big bin and a broom. We'll figure it out. We'll make it work. It might be a tight squeeze. The consensus is, let's go. Oh boy. All right, hang on. Let's try the back seat. We'll figure this out. So back at the shop, and we tried sweeping, but it just keeps turning straight to dust. Like I started in this corner here. You can see there, like it is bad. Definitely gonna need like a vac fan or something to try and like, you know, pull all the dust outside. And I've ordered from the US Amazon some proper brooms. That's the best one we could find. It's just, yeah, it's really dirty. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought like the landlord would have had this all cleaned and stuff for us. But at the end of the day, I'm just happy we also got a shop space, so I'm trying not to complain or think bad about it. So yeah, this is kind of what we're dealing with. I'm gonna try and clean up as much as we can today. Getting a good idea with our cars in here, like how much space we're going to be able to deal with. Like we can just just stack them up here. We'll be able to get a hoist in here pretty quickly, probably a couple, so we can double stack cars. But yeah, this is going to be really cool. What we're initially thinking is like, you know, toilet bathroom section there, maybe a shower as well for washing up. Probably build a little mezz floor in here too. And probably like tire machine in this corner maybe. So like, the thing is like, it's hard because until you actually get the stuff and you know like all the measurements and whatnot, like it'd be so cool if I could just 3D scan this whole entire space and know the measurements of all the stuff and equipment I want to get and actually plan it out. But I think it's going to have to be wait till we get it all and see. But yeah, this is the shop. Going to keep working at it, trying to get it cleaner, and we'll pick things up there. Well, for today, there's really not much more we can do. We tried sweeping up and stuff, but we have nothing to evac like all the dust out. So we're kind of calling it quits here. I'm gonna order a bunch of stuff, get a shop vac and everything, and maybe like one of those evac vans. And we're gonna try and clean this up as quickly and as fast as we can so we can start, you know, building stuff. But the biggest issue is we need power and we need water. So my goal is hopefully in 1 week to have the floors done and painted, and then that way we'll be good to go. But first day having a shop didn't go too bad, except I got everything dirty. Like everything is dirty. My car is covered in dust, Jeff's car is covered in dust, I'm covered in dust, but nonetheless still very exciting, and we have a lot of work ahead of us. Taking a quick stop into Up Garage, but not for car parts. I actually want to go into their shop across the road here, where they sell a whole bunch of workshop equipment now, like secondhand workshop equipment. So I'm going to go in there and check it out once we get in there and park. And of course, the best thing is that we get to check out some car parts too while we're here. So we'll pick it up once we're in there. Hopefully we find some stuff like a generator and just some other things that we need for the shop. This place has a lot of stuff. There's a fair few generators here, but like they're really expensive. Like that one there was $600. It's a little one here. Oh, this tiny little guy is $200. It's not too bad. Oh, here's another smaller one. This one's $200 too. That's a really tiny portable Honda generator. Jeez. Yeah. Sadly, I don't think these ones are kind of quiet whatsoever. Yeah, I think it's better to just wait till we get power switched on. Although this is kind of cute, I wouldn't mind that. It's very cool. Take you to like drift events and stuff. But that's the thing, like if ever you need a generator at a drift event, you're at like big competition level, and you need something way bigger than that. All right, let's see what else they got around the shop. A lot of like air guns and nail guns. Ooh, if I could find a bigger one of these, that'd kind of help with cleaning the place out. What is this stuff? It's not lawnmowers, is it? Oh, they are! Are they? These are lawnmowers. Yeah, okay. Alright then, let's keep seeing. Battery charger, that's actually kind of handy. Alright, I'm gonna keep looking and see if I can find anything decent. It's hard though, man. Like, oh, drill presses. Gosh, that's something I actually need. I was hoping for something to like a shop vac. I don't see shop vacs in here at all. This is a fairly new shop that Up Garage just opened. Some more, what is this? Is this a generator? What is that? Oh, it's a compressor. Interesting. It's a gas operated compressor. Oh, that's cool. Look at this old school table saw. Jeez. Some really old stuff here. Oh, this would be good. Oh man. I'm at that stage now where now I just want to buy lots of tools. Oh boy. Jeez. Old paint sprayers, right? There's a lot of random old stuff here. Random shifters, adjustable wrenches, files, light bulbs. Look, are these 10 mils? Alright, I'm gonna keep looking, see what I find. Okay, so I'm a little bit disappointed. Like, man, it is hard to find like stores like that with secondhand equipment, and then just stores that actually have what you want. It kind of makes sense. Like everyone just gets what, like the items that are necessary and that people need for shops and stuff. Like they just go so fast. There were some good things in there. Probably the only things I was considering buying today. They have a lot of like heavy duty extension lead coils, so like the big rolls. Hang on a second. What are you doing here? Why do we always run into each other in the weirdest places? Dude, your car looks like it's all back together. It is. I'm taking it down to Suzuka Twin. Dude, I'm jealous because mine's still not together. That intercooler though, damn. It's still lasted. It survived. Oh, look at it, it's concave. I know. I'm like, geez, man. Oh. Well, dude, I'm glad. And you bent like no arms, right? No, it was all good. All good? Fine. Dude, sick. There's just that rubber hose on the other side, and yeah, yep. I mean the radiator. Yeah, hang on, I want to flip around and look at it. Did you lose a headlight too? Yeah, but it was just it was already destroyed, right? It was a fake. Yeah. Jeez, that looks so good. Right, I'm just gonna go get some clamps. Yeah. One for here and here, and then it should be good. Good to roll again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, you're so lucky. My lower control arm was like bent in 4 places. Oh man, if you guys don't know Roab, he looks after like the Eliminate guys whenever they get cars and stuff.
Yeah.
So he's a rad dude. It's crazy, I did not expect to run into you here. I was just at the shop across the road looking for some stuff for my shop. So it's like a whole bunch of secondhand tools and stuff.
Tools, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I haven't been there yet. How is it?
It's okay. Definitely like all the popular stuff's been taken, but it's okay. It's not bad. Everything's kind of like, there's nothing really good in here at the moment and stuff, so I'm gonna check the wheels and then I'm gonna bounce. But good to see you, dude.
Yeah, all right, bro. See you in a bit.
See ya. Looks so good sitting there. If you're a car guy and you don't look back at your own car, then you're not a car guy. All right, let's see, any new wheels here? Nope. Nope. Everything good has been taken in like the last few weeks. Yeah, all the weird sizes are still here. Man, you gotta be so quick. If any wheels like come in that are decent sizing, they're gone in like the matter of like less than a day. Yeah. All right, definitely a hard pass today. Bummer. All right then, we'll head. I'm definitely a bit bummed. Like, I was like, man, we get the shop keys today, you know, and I was expecting to be able to do all this stuff, and then found out there was no power, no water yet. We got to wait a few more days for that, and then just like, you know, going to the hardware store, the home center, looking for proper brooms to sweep out the place, and then not being able to even get that, and like, everything I tried doing today. Yo, that thing is cool. Look at that little K-truck, like Kaito Racer K-truck. So I'm kind of bummed that we didn't get to do more, but I guess I can't really expect much, you know what I mean? I'm just hyped. We got a space, we're making moves, and stick around because we definitely got some cool stuff happening. May's gonna do some research for me tonight and see if she can find a company that will do all the floors for us. So I'm thinking like we find someone that, like, you know, they clean the floors and paint it for you. If it's like, you know, fairly affordable and not crazy stupid expensive, then I might just pay them to quickly do it. Then it'll be done, ready to roll. But yeah, at this point, everything's all kind of up in the air. I'm gonna head home, but I'll chat to you guys once we get there. Back home now, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am about the new shop. This means so much for the channel. Like, once we get that place cleaned out, the floors painted, I can start budgeting and working out when I can go and get a hoist, tire machine. We obviously need to get an air compressor as well, like, and just start fitting stuff out. I am so excited. This is, it's gonna be so good. Like, even just being able to get the Evo and the Mini in there, and then being able to like work on them in the actual shop, like, it's huge. I cannot wait, and I hope you guys can bear with me for the next few videos and days and stuff while we get everything ready, we start cleaning and all that kind of stuff, because it's just, it's gonna be so good. So with that, guys, smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Tell me in the comment section, what are you most excited about with the shop, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out. Ciao, mata.